CondoControl is a comprehensive property management app designed for condo boards, property managers, and investors. It streamlines operations, enhances communication, and improves oversight, making it ideal for managing condo investments in multi-unit properties. A standout feature is its centralized communication system, allowing seamless communication between property managers, board members, and residents through announcements, message boards, and email updates. This increases transparency and reduces miscommunication. CondoControl also offers document management, storing and sharing essential files like bylaws and financial reports. Investors can quickly access these documents, saving time and staying organized, especially helpful for those managing multiple units. The amenity booking system allows residents to reserve shared spaces, reducing disputes and enhancing tenant satisfaction, vital for maintaining high occupancy. Financial tracking and reporting tools enable monitoring budgets, processing payments, and issuing invoices, providing valuable financial oversight. Incident tracking and maintenance management streamline repair requests and maintenance issues, minimizing downtime and protecting your investment. While ideal for multi-unit condos, single-family property owners may find it less relevant. CondoControl is an excellent tool for streamlined communication, maintenance, and financial management. Its user-friendly interface makes it a must-have for managing condo investments effectively. Check the links below to explore CondoControl and see if it fits your needs. This review should help you decide if CondoControl is right for your portfolio.